Hi everyone, welcome to today's class. The topic is articles of clothing. Listen and repeat the vocabulary. Blouse, boot, skirt, shirt, coat, hat, sweater, shoe, jacket, sneakers, baseball cap, suit, shorts, jeans or pants, necklace, earrings, briefs, boxers, panties or knickers, tights, tie, sock, watch, handbag. Listen and repeat the colours. Black, blue, brown, orange, purple, red, grey, green, white, yellow, pink, light blue. Now let's review the personal pronouns, looking at subject first, and then the object pronoun. I or me, you, he or him, she or her, we or us, they or them. And the possessive pronouns: mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs. Now let's look at the possessive pronouns in short sentences. This is mine. This is yours. This is his. This is hers. This is ours. This is theirs. Possessive adjectives: my. This is my car. Your. This is your car. His. This is his car. Her. This is her car. Our. This is our car. Their. This is their car. Demonstrative pronouns: this, that. Listen and repeat. What's this? It's a hat. What's this? It's a blouse. What's this? It's a shoe. What's this? It's a sweater. What's this? It's a jacket. What's this? It's a sock. What's this? It's a necklace. What's this? It's a tie. Useful verbs and expressions. Listen and repeat. She is wearing, buying, doing, looking for. Can I help you? Here you are. How much is it? Salesperson, customer or client. I'll take it. Expensive, cheap. Listen and repeat. Who's this? This is Jerry. What's he wearing? He's wearing a white shirt, grey tie, and black pants. Who's this? This is Patty. What's she wearing? She's wearing a brown dress. Who's wearing a brown dress? Who's wearing a white shirt, grey tie, and black pants? Answer the questions. Who's this? What's her last name? Is she wearing black pants? What's she wearing? Asking about price. Listen carefully and answer the questions that follow. Can I help you? Yes, I'm looking for a black dress. Here you are. How much is it? 40 euros. Thanks. Comprehension practice. Answer true or false. The woman is looking for a red dress. The dress is 400 euros. The salesperson is wearing black pants and a white blouse. The customer is wearing a black dress. Listen carefully and answer the questions that follow. Can I help you? Yes. How much is this blue necklace? $100. Oh, it's expensive. And that green necklace? This green necklace? Yes. This necklace is $65. It's cheap. I'll take it. Comprehension practice. Answer true or false. The blue necklace is $50. The green necklace is expensive. The blue necklace is expensive. She's taking the green necklace. Match the words with the pictures. The first answer is done for you. What color is it? What are you wearing today? Make sentences to describe what you're wearing by combining these images. I'm wearing. That brings us to the end of today's class. For more information on our one-to-one classes with a native speaking teacher, please visit speakeasy1to1.com. Thanks for watching.